everybody, it's Isabel, and today I'm going to be talking about bedmass. Bedmass is a term used in math. Now, bedmass is used in these types of questions. This question does look very complicated, but I'm going to show you how to break it down and make it easier. Bedmass is the order we do the question in. So, first we have brackets, which we do have brackets here, so we're going to do the question inside the brackets first. Exponents? Exponents are really hard, so I won't be explaining those today. Division? We don't have any division questions. That would be next after brackets and exponents, but we don't have a division, so we'll move down. Multiplication. We do have a multiplication question, but it is in the brackets, so we would do that first. Addition, we don't have it. Subtraction, we do. So first, now we're going to do the question. 4 times 9 is 36. 36 minus 4 is 32. Now, that is the answer, 32. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.